Evergreen Talent Hunt, a book on art and activity.
Book Talent Hunt, Part 1, page number 9. Topic: Crayon Coloring. Students, what do you see? This is a picture of a rat sleeping, but his pillow and sheet is not colored. So come on friends, let us color the rat's sheet and pillow. For this, all we need is red, green, pink, yellow and blue crayon color. Okay, now we'll start. First, we take red color and fill it in the first part of the sheet. Good. Take green crayon and fill it in the second part of the sheet. Good. Now, pick up the pink color to fill the third part of the sheet. Good. Now we will color the last part with blue crayon color. Well done. Also color the pillow in the same way.